Alright, so welcome back friends, and in this tutorial we'll talk about Angular filters. So I've already changed the heading of my page to Magic of Angular Filters. Now Angular filters are used to manipulate the view or the HTML, right? And so there are many good Angular filters available, and you can actually create your custom Angular filters also. So to understand how to use filters and what all filters can do for us, let's take an example. Now if I see the list here which is being displayed here, it's being displayed in the title case. The way we have saved the data in our JavaScript array, right? So we have used the title case here. But if I want to display the list in lowercase, so I could use an Angular filter. So to use an Angular filter, the syntax is to first use the pipe sign after the variable here, and after the pipe sign you could use the Angular filter. So let's say we want to use the Angular filter called lowercase. If I save this, refresh the page, you would see the entire list would be displayed in a lowercase. Isn't this amazing? Pretty amazing. If I use the uppercase, let's see what happens. Oh, you guessed it right. The list would be displayed in uppercase. So you use a pipe sign followed by the name of the filter. So Angular has many good filters available for you. So let us go to the API reference section, and then we have filter section here. So you have currency, you have date, you have a filter, JSON, limit to, lowercase, number, order by uppercase. Let's use another filter called limit to. So right now we are displaying how many items? So we are displaying, let's say, let me go to app.js, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, but I just want to display, let's say, 3 items. So I would use a filter called limit to, LIMI, and give it a variable, give it a parameter by using the colon sign here, and let's say I want to display only 3 items. So I'll just say 3 here, we'll save it and refresh the page. So right now we are displaying 5, but if I refresh, only the 3 letters, only the first 3 letters are being displayed here, since we have used the filter in the Angular expression where we are displaying the value of category. But if I had used this filter here in the ng-repeat directive, so now let's see what happens. Now we are going to display only the first 3 items, right? So it depends upon in which part of your Angular section you are going to use the filter. So these filters are pretty powerful. These are very good. We can actually create our custom filters also, and we would be doing that later in our application. Let's use another filter which is called filter. So it's amazing, right? So we go here, so we have a filter called filter. Now you can actually, by using this filter, you can actually have search functionality in your application pretty simply. So let's do one thing. Let's get rid of this filter here because we want to display all the items, and let's have some more items in our JavaScript array here. Let's say antonyms, right? Let's say synonyms, let's say verbal ability, let's say reasoning. So I've just included few more items in our JavaScript array. Let's save this, and if we run this, so we are able to show these items in our script without changing any code. Now just imagine if we have 50 or 100 or 150 items here, and we want to give the functionality of search within our web page. In normal JavaScript or jQuery, you would use to write lines and lines of codes, but you could achieve this search functionality in Angular just by writing a line of a code, single line. So let's see how it happens. So I'm going to create a input box here, a text box here. Input type is equal to text, and I'm going to use the ng-model directive and give it a name called search. All right, that's it. And I'm going to use a filter in my ng-repeat here by using the pipe sign and then saying filter colon search, and that's it. Let me refresh this. Then we have a search box here, and if I type something here, let's say maths, this list is being filtered according to my input. Isn't this amazing? Yeah. I'm sure you are already liking the AngularJS magic. So I'm writing magic of Angular filters here. So I hope you like this. There are many good ways where you can use these Angular filters. Explore on your own and send me a comment if you have any question. And in our next tutorial, we would be actually talking about some more directives. How about if you could add more items in this list dynamically? Yeah, so we would be talking about ng-click and ng-submit directive in our next tutorial. Stay tuned. See you soon. Thank you.